Get out
A
here.
meth addict, barricading himself after a failed burglary, dragged police into a dangerous standoff. Cerney had pushed himself down a path of no return, with a 6.5-year prison sentence awaiting him.
Robert, are you coming out? I thought you wanted...
Come on down! Let's talk! Come on, man, let's go get you some help! Hey, I see you're bleeding on your hand! Let's get you some medical attention! We don't want to hurt you!
On February 26, 2023, Dunwoody police received an emergency call reporting screaming and a physical altercation between a man and a woman inside an apartment at Dunwoody Crossing Apartments. Police tried to persuade Cerney to come out peacefully, but he barricaded himself inside. Officers were aware that Cerney had a history of mental health issues and substance abuse, which made the situation unpredictable and even more dangerous. Cerney refused to cooperate. He shouted that he just wanted to retrieve his belongings. After hours of failed negotiations, police were forced to change their approach.
Robert, it's the police. You need to come out. Come out and talk to us. Stop, Robert. Come on, please. Right, we'll help you get that. We just need to figure out what's going on. Okay? We'll step outside if you're willing to come out. We're not leaving, though. Let's not do this, Robert. Okay, come out the front door. We won't. We want to talk to you. Come out the front door. Take her over there.
Hey, Sam, go.
Get over there.
Yeah.
Where's Slinkman? Stand over there. Robert, please come out. We got officers here. I'll have two of them step away. The host, no one's even at the back. Guys, step over that side. Then he'll come out. Someone to her. Get her statement. Robert, are you coming out? I thought you wanted to talk to us. Huh? Robert, let's not do this.
All you had to do was give me my clothes. So sick of this.
Get out of here! Robert, come on down! Let's talk! Come on, man, let's go get you some help! Hey, I see you're bleeding on your hand! Let's get you medical attention!
I want to die!
We don't want to hurt you! We do not want to hurt you!
All you have to do is leave and I will!
Come on, Robert, you know we're not leaving. Come on out!
This is gonna do a and I'm gonna die!
That is the last thing that we want to happen. Well, Robert, why? Just come, at least come out and just sit out on the ledge, man!
Shoot me!
So I can at least see you!
Shoot me!
I have absolutely no reason to do that!
You will! I'll shoot you in your face!
Well, I don't want you to do that to me, man! I'm just trying to help you!
I'm gonna shoot you in your face! How about that?
What can we do to help you?
You can off! You can shoot me! I'll shoot you!
What's wrong today, bud?
Court records revealed a disturbing detail. In 2021, Cerney had barricaded himself in the same house and set multiple fires. Fearing a repeat of that dangerous incident, police couldn't afford to take the same risk again. Hours later, police were notified that Cerney had left the house. They quickly located him at another location. There, he not only threatened himself but also challenged the officers, shouting that he wanted to die and demanding they shoot him.
He's fighting. Oh, well, baby, blood.
What?
I need another cough.
I'm gonna knock it off!
Bleeding.
Ah! You piece of
What am I under arrest for? Burglary. Burglary. God damn it, Robert. Give me your hand. You. Yeah. I'll you up, dude. Give him the hand. Give me your there.
You were down, Cam.
Can't breathe. Can't breathe. We're back here. Here we go. Yeah, I got you, bro. Grab it. Grab that arm. That's all we need. I got it right here. Robert, cooperate, please. Robert, Cerney, you need to cooperate. Cooperate, please. I gotta go stick you with the pin. Robert, no. Robert, you're under arrest. So please just cooperate with us. Huh? Please cooperate, Robert. No. I want to keep you in the face and the good chance. Why? Robert, we don't want to... I'm going to shoot you in the face. Do you need medical attention, Robert? Okay. Stop, dude. Stop. We're all fine. We're good. We're going to need a bunch of people to get him out of here. Stop it. You. We'll see you all coming at all. Looks too bad. Stop, Robert. Get off me. I can't breathe. We're back here. Here you go. Yeah, I got you, bro. I'm going to shoot your ass. We're off all deal. Just grab it. Grab that arm. That's all we need. I got it right here.
Multiple tasers were deployed, but Cerney continued to resist violently. The struggle unfolded in the dark, and officers had to use all their strength to subdue the enraged man.
You need to cooperate, please. You wanna get shot? We're already too deep. You wanna get shot? Everyone okay? Yeah. You wanna get shot? You wanna get shot? Get off my muscle. I'm not on it. Yeah, you're on. Guys, we have him in custody. You can slow down a little bit. You guys alright? Yeah. Robert, you're under arrest. Bunch of stuff. Okay? So please just cooperate with us. Please cooperate, Robert. No. Okay. I'm going to shoot you in the face and see if we get you. Why? Robert, we don't want to... I'm going to shoot you in the face. Do you need medical attention, Robert? Stop. Okay. Stop, dude.
After his arrest, police found a glass pipe and a plastic bag containing methamphetamine in his pocket. Cerney faced a series of serious charges: first-degree burglary, assault on law enforcement officers, drug possession, and multiple other offenses. Robert Cerney was sentenced to 6.5 years in prison, with prior convictions for drug offenses and violent threats dating back to 2022. This was an inevitable outcome for a dangerous pattern of behavior under Georgia law. First-degree burglary is punishable by 1 to 20 years in prison. Regardless of whether anything was actually stolen, the mere intent to unlawfully enter a dwelling to commit a crime is enough to constitute the offense. In the end, it wasn't just the drugs or the crimes, it was his string of bad choices that sealed his fate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with the most intense and authentic cases captured on police Bodycam. Thank you all for watching.